Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge.
Yeah, I remember going deep in her that day. She be yelling goofy, hold up, goofy, goddamn. That's how deep I plan to go up in this game. Everybody yelling goofy, yeah, you fire, goddamn. I remember going deep in her that day. Yeah, she be yelling goofy, hold up, goofy, goddamn. That's how deep I plan to go up in this game. Everybody yelling goofy, yeah, you fire, goddamn. So I'm going in, niggas, oh I stop. Never before have I wanted it more than I got. Look, hit after hit, you waiting for the next to drop. Next bomb, next one, might just push me to the next level. Started from the bottom down, under like the devil. Hard work pays off like Oscar with the gold medals. No legs, body holds records. Yeah, you know I finna get some gold records. Ooh, 15,000 sales, I'ma get it, whoa. Then I'm chasing platinum, you better know. Ooh, yeah, you better recognize that I'm coming through. Coming through so fly, never in disguise, eh? On this game, I'ma leave an imprint. Hey, print it out, make it look legit, yeah? I got my shit on paper, why you faking it? I'ma leave a blueprint on this game, hey. Yeah, I remember going deep in her that day. She be yelling goofy, hold up, goofy, goddamn. That's how deep I plan to go up in this game. Everybody yelling goofy, yeah, you fire, goddamn. I remember going deep in her that day. Yeah, she be yelling goofy, hold up, goofy, goddamn. That's how deep I plan to go up in this game. Everybody yelling goofy, yeah, you fire, I just be sipping the liquor and it be killing my liver. I just be smoking on the blunt and it be fucking my lungs up. I guess I just gotta give it all up, as it helps to get rid of pain and get rid of stuff. Like when I flow, you gotta move with it and rock with it. Maybe groove to it and stomp to it. Maybe do the Dougie, yeah, or lean back to it. But don't stop, no. I remember going deep in her that day. She be yelling goofy, hold up, goofy, goddamn. That's how deep I plan to go up in this game. Everybody yelling goofy, yeah, you fire, goddamn. I remember going deep in her that day. Yeah, she be yelling goofy, hold up, goofy, goddamn. That's how deep I plan to go up in this game. Everybody yelling goofy, yeah, you fire, goddamn. Move to it and stomp to it. Just groove to it, but don't stop, goddamn. Move to it, just stomp to it. Just groove to it, but don't stop, goddamn. Yeah, move to it and stomp to it. Just groove to it, but don't stop, goddamn. Move to it and stomp to it, but just groove to it and don't stop, no. Goddamn.
Yo, CPT and the world, you know it's your boy Oasis. Thank you for tuning into the Lyric Lounge. As you saw before, my boy Young Goofy came through with a track called Goddamn.
Shit.
And it was goddamn hard. Since the night was fire, bro. So bro, you told me before the whole interview you dropped that whole tape of that track on the 15th.
On the 25th.
25th, it was a 5 single. And how much track is on that EP besides that track you just performed now?
And it's 5-track EP.
5-track EP.
Yeah.
That's dope.
For other bangers, yo, you gotta check that shit out.
Now we'll definitely get them to check that shit out soon, Jay. And is that like your style that you came with, your pure style, or do you diversify, like change it?
On the tape itself, there is like probably 2 tracks that is like a bit different to that one itself, but that's my main vibe, yo. That's the first track on the tape that's telling you who I am about, or what I'm about.
Because the reason I asked what the sound was, because like I want to know who then inspired you something. Like who did you listen to back in the day that would have made you do stuff like that?
It's more the new cats basically that is currently inspiring me. So the new pumping trap artists, that's the shit I fuck with. But like back in the day, I used to always listen to Young Thug. Hence the reason the Young in my name as well. You know what I'm saying? That was my nigga. Like I thought that guy was the best rapper on the time. But yeah. So Young Thug, major influence, and then all new artists basically. All the new trap artists popping out there.
After taking the vibe we have now, right in the wave of 2019, 2018.
I got the trap look, I mean.
You even got the whole trap look, yeah, tattooed down from head to toe.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't think to toe though. I don't think to toe. So bro, if we had to give you power, like say you control the whole industry, what would you do different in the industry to make it pop?
Yo, that's a lovely question now. Okay, but like you say, if you should give me power to actually control the industry. Like I want to control it forever though, like ain't nobody taking that shit away from me.
Okay.
But I will definitely help inspire a lot of youth, as currently I'm not even that popping, but I'm kind of popping.
Alright.
But already a lot of people is like looking up to me, a lot of youngsters. In my videos I got a lot of young kids in the videos and stuff, so they're all looking up to me when I'm walking through my wood and stuff. They're like, "Young go through what I mean."
Yeah.
It makes me feel good, so I'm like inspiring young people, and definitely not only young people but
all people I will want to inspire, and then obviously push the homies in Cape Town, push the movement further, because yo, goddamn, we're struggling out here, man. But we gonna make it soon, Jay. We gonna make it.
Nah, definitely, but if you just want to take control and just to pass knowledge, and that's just it. At least take the message out and let it go, bro. So now, that song you perform, bro, where can they find that, and where else will we find you?
That song currently, I just wanted to see how much it would pop, so it's currently just on SoundCloud.
Okay.
But it is being distributed worldwide as well, so stay tuned. It's gonna be everywhere soon, man.
It's gonna be everywhere soon, man. Have the links in the description below, then you know it's gonna be there. Saying Young Koofy in the building, bro. So I just wanna say once again, bro, you're nice. Salute for pulling through, Sinjay. Your performance was on fire, Sinjay. And then I want to say thank you to everyone that's been watching now. Just want everyone to also know that I want to say thank you to Misunderstood Clothing that just came through tonight with the sponsor. Want to also say thank you to Cats on Q for giving us this very good space that we have right now. And then I want to say thank you to our other sponsors, Cameraworld and dsfootage, for actually coming through, making everything look as it looks right now. And you best believe it's your boy Oasis. And we out.
On this game, I'ma leave an imprint. Hey, print it out, make it look legit, yeah? I got my shit on paper, why you faking it? I'ma leave a blueprint on this game, hey. Yeah, I remember going deep in her that day.